Everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's unstuffing of the 100 envelope challenge. Also, if we have time, hopefully we will, I will be counting out this other challenge as well, the 52-week challenge that I also did for this year. I'm so excited, if you can't tell by my enthusiasm. So this is how I have them stored here in this little basket. I do have this pink sticky note as a divider. These are the envelopes I did not finish. So correct, I did not complete the challenge fully. As you can see, I still have some envelopes that are not highlighted. If you are interested in this tracker, I will leave it linked down below. I have some other savings challenges as well, and new ones releasing very soon, if not already. So definitely check out the links below. I stuffed all of these envelopes except for 7. So I think I did pretty well. We're taking the basket away, and y'all, what? Is this real right now? I'm just so excited because look at all of these. Okay. I don't know how. I think I'm just gonna take out the money. I'm gonna set this aside and just start taking out the money because, yeah, let's just jump right into it. I'm obviously going to speed up some of this as well because it's a lot of envelopes, y'all. As you can see, we have a lot going on here. But I'm really excited because, ooh, we have the 100. I'm just pumped to divvy up this money and allocate it to certain things. Certain sinking funds will get a lot more love. Gonna go through all of these as fast as I can. I think I'm going pretty fast. I mean, at some point I'm gonna speed it up, but this is what's happening. Can you guys believe it? It's been an entire year. I started this challenge in January. If anybody is new, welcome, hello. I hope you guys enjoy my videos and stick around. Boom! You guys! Do you guys see this right now? I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell. Holy crap! I've never had this much money in my possession at once ever in my life. This is almost $5,000. But now, holy crap, now we have to organize it? Oh my gosh. What? This is insane. Alright, so I guess the next thing I have to do is organize it, obviously. I have my... Okay, I have this here. So maybe I'll do this. And we'll kind of organize it this way. We'll just like pick up some money and start divvying it up, I guess. I don't know. I really don't know the best way to do this. Guess I'm just going to try to pick out as many 20s as I see. Okay, and I see a 50, some 5s. Yeah. Alright, you know what? I'm like not even halfway through. I'm actually going to switch this over to this side because it's going to be easier for me to just organize because I'm a righty. I was doing it on that side because I was filming for TikTok as well. So now we're going to get back into it, you guys. So this is a little hello, you know, in the middle of the organizing of Are you still here? Are you keeping up? What's going on? I'm so excited. Like, look how much money we have. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it yet, you guys. If you had over $5,000 that you saved, like proudly saved, what would you do with it? I would love to know down below, because I thought I would have time to show you guys what I'm going to do with all the money in the same video as I'm organizing this, but I feel like this is gonna take some time, and I might just do that in a separate video. I know, I'm sorry to drive you guys crazy. I know you guys are wondering, what am I gonna do with all this money, right? But I wanna be able to like sit and explain, you know, where I'm allocating some of the money to, what sinking funds, why. So I think I'm just gonna have to make it a separate video, but I hope you guys are enjoying me trying to organize all of this money. Lots of ones I'm noticing, but yeah, y'all, I'm pumped. I'm so excited. Like, this is crazy. Like, this is wild and crazy. Okay. But yeah, how are you? Are you guys still doing the challenge? Are you guys done like me? Like, hello. I didn't finish. I only had 7 envelopes left, but it is what it is, you guys. It's the end of the year, and you know, sometimes you don't always complete everything, but look how far I've come, you know? I clearly saved a ton of money, and I am proud either way. So I don't care what you say. I'm just kidding. Kudos to those who actually finished the challenge. I just had like a little, you know, rough end of the year. So sometimes you can't always make everything happen. Okay, that's just how it flows. Boom! Look at that. 1s, 5s, 10s, lots of 20s, good amount of 50s, and one $100 bill. Y'all, this is crazy! I'm so excited to count this with you, and yeah, let's jump right into it because it might take a while. I think I want to start with the 1s first because they are my least favorite. I might as well get them over with in the beginning. So I'm just gonna do a chunk at a time, and then we're gonna add it up here on the calculator. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. All right, so we'll put that down. There's 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. All right, so there is 100 in 1s. Okay, take another stack. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Wow, that was, I picked up the exact $50. That's crazy. So that's 50. Do you think that's gonna be another 50? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 39. Okay. So 150 plus 39, so 189. Okay, 189 in ones. Okay, plus, okay, that wasn't terrible. I thought the ones were gonna be worse, but that wasn't bad. Okay, so there are the ones. Let's get into the fives, okay? 1, 1. I'm so used to counting the ones. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, so there is 100. One. I keep saying 1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, so that's 200. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 245. 245 plus, I'm also writing it down here on the side, just so I can have a reminder, just in case my calculator messes up. So 245 in fives, onto the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 1, 2, 3, 80. Okay, look at that. Look at this number going up, y'all. I am so excited. Okay, lots of 20s. So let's just start. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. How am I picking up exact, like, perfect amounts? 500. 500, okay. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. I picked up another exact 500. How is that possible? This is so weird. I mean, I'm here for it, but okay. So 1,000. 1,000. This is wild. Okay, I'm just gonna pick up the whole thing. That's freaking me out a little bit. I'm picking up exactly $500. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 720, 40, 60, 80. 780. So $1,780 in 20s. 1,780. Whoa, my gosh, the jump in that is amazing. Okay, also if I mess up, I know you guys are gonna tell me in the comments, so it's okay. All right, the 50s are gonna be fun. Wow, look at all these 50s. 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, 750, 850, 950, 1,000. Okay, so there's 1,000. 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, 500. I need to do that over. Every time I pause, I mess up. 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, 700, 750. So $1,750. Wow. Oh my goodness, you guys. And then of course we have the beloved $100 bill. Oh my gosh. Wait, 444. That is so crazy that it's that amount. It's so interesting to me. I swear that's like some sort of like angel number, or I don't know. That is so exciting to see all 4444. Wow. All right, you guys, that is the total right there. Holy crap, I'm so excited. I'm going to keep this total up, but I'm going to count really quick the 52-week challenge, because this is another challenge that I did this year. And again, this one is also available on the website if you guys are interested to do it next year. That's what this looks like. It's pretty much completed, but let's see how much we have in this. So, 52-week savings challenge. You can also find these envelopes on my website, but let's see what we have here. So, total for the savings challenges, let's see what we have. Ready? Okay, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 50, 650, 750, 800. Okay, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. All right, so we'll put that down. That's 1,000. 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 385. So $1,385. Wow. So we're going to add it to this number, 1,385. Ah! You guys, I am so excited. I am so proud. I saved almost $6,000. I saved over $5,000, which is amazing in itself. So $5,829 between my 52-week challenge and my 100 envelope challenge. Like,